To help you keep gaining weight even on the busiest of days when you fall behind with your calories, we're going to make 4 smoothies, each featuring around 2000 calories. The 2000 calorie apple smoothie, also known as the Big Apple. The 2000 calorie green protein smoothie, also known as the Green Giant. The 2000 calorie banana smoothie, also known as the Mighty Kong. And Chris Hemsworth's 2000 calorie smoothie, also known as the Thunder. You can drink each of these smoothies in one sitting, turn them in multiple 1000 calorie or 500 calorie smoothies scheduled around your day, or share them with your gym partner. We carefully made each recipe so you can find the right smoothie for your needs. Firstly, all of the smoothies are made with healthy ingredients. Besides, at least one of the smoothies is nut-free, vegan, based on bananas, low-fat, or vetted by a celebrity with an impressive physique. Before making any of the recipes, make sure to check if your blender is big enough for making 2000 calorie smoothies. For example, ours, this one, is pretty small, so we need to split the ingredients in each of these smoothies in identical portions and blend them separately. If you're blending smoothies on a daily basis, we recommend you get a blender with a capacity of at least 2 liters or 68 fluid ounces. With that said, let's explore the recipes. The first smoothie on our list is the 2000 calorie apple smoothie, also known as the Big Apple. This smoothie has 2014 calories, 132 grams of protein, while being rich in carbs and low in fats. You need to add 6 medium apples, 2 cups of 2% Greek yogurt, 4 tablespoons of smooth peanut butter, 3 scoops of whey protein powder, 3.5 cups of apple juice. Now you can blend the ingredients for about 30 to 60 seconds until the smoothie develops a fine texture. Congrats, you just learned how to make a high-calorie apple smoothie with a fine texture that combines a pleasant apple flavor with notes of peanut butter. The second smoothie on our list is the 2000 calorie green protein smoothie, also known as the Green Giant. This muscle-building and nut-free smoothie has 2001 calories and 107 grams of protein. You need to add 5 large Granny Smith apples without core, the 5.3 ounces or 150 grams of baby spinach, 3 medium bananas, 2 avocados, 5 medium celery stalks, 1 cup of whey protein powder, 2.5 juiced limes, and 5 cups of coconut water. Now you can blend the ingredients for about 30 to 60 seconds until the smoothie develops a fine texture. The last step is to pour the high-calorie green protein smoothie into a glass or a shaker bottle and serve. In terms of flavor, the smoothie has a refreshing taste with notes of celery and a slight apple aroma that's not too bitter or too sweet. Moving on to the third smoothie on our list, meet the 2000 calorie banana smoothie, also known as the Mighty Kong. This smoothie has 2043 calories and an impressive 82 grams of proteins. To make the smoothie, you need to add 6 medium bananas, 2 ounces or 56 grams of cashews, 7.2 ounces or 200 grams of oats, 15.9 ounces or 450 grams of low-fat Greek yogurt, and finally 23.7 fluid ounces or 700 milliliters of water. Now you can blend the ingredients for about 30 to 60 seconds until the smoothie develops a fine texture. And there you have it, a high-calorie banana smoothie tailored for weight gain with an interesting texture and a strong banana flavor that's calmed down by a slight note of cashews. The last smoothie on our list is the 2000 calorie version of Chris Hemsworth's Thor smoothie. We created this protein smoothie recipe by upgrading Chris Hemsworth's secret high-calorie smoothie from 663 calories to 1988 calories. To make the smoothie, you need to add 1.5 cup of raspberries, 1.5 cup of strawberries, 3 large bananas, 12 teaspoons of chia seeds, 6 tablespoons of hemp seeds, 3 tablespoons of almond butter, 3 scoops of pea protein powder, 6 teaspoons of maca powder, 1.5 teaspoons of magnesium, 3 tablespoons of shredded coconut, 1.5 cup of kale leaves, and 40.5 fluid ounces or 1.2 liters of water. Now you can blend the ingredients for about 30 to 60 seconds until the smoothie develops a fine texture. Now you can pour the secret high-calorie smoothie that helped Chris Hemsworth get in shape for Thor into a glass or a shaker bottle and serve. When it comes to flavor, the smoothie tastes like raspberries with some notes of kale and earthy aromas coming from the pea protein powder, the almond butter and the maca powder. You can find the full recipes, their nutrition facts and their health benefits linked down in the description. With 2000 calorie smoothies by your side, hitting large daily caloric intakes becomes much easier. They can really be a lifesaver on those busy days when you can't find time to cook or eat solid meals. However, unless you need to eat around 4000 calories per day or even more than that, I recommend you stick with 1000 calorie smoothies instead of these 2000 calorie ones. Because this way you can keep variety in your diet, you can include more solid foods, which are important as well. Fortunately, we have another video showing 5 recipes for 1000 calorie smoothies that you can try right now. Like usual, if you try any of our smoothie recipes, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more weight gain tips and recipes. Until next time, if these 2000 calorie smoothies are too much for you, I leave you with these high calorie smoothie recipes that you can check right now.